Welcome to Auto Vibe. Today we take you on a smooth and timeless journey into the world of elegance as we explore the beauty of a classic Mercedes-Benz. This car is not just a machine, it is a symbol of luxury, history, and craftsmanship that continues to inspire car lovers across generations. Let's start our walk around with the front, where the first impression always counts. At the front, the instantly recognizable grille with the three-pointed star sits proudly, representing the heritage of Mercedes-Benz. The chrome finishes give it a touch of sophistication, while the round headlamps carry that old-school charm, a design that whispers elegance instead of shouting aggression. The bumper is designed with strength yet subtle refinement, making it clear this car was built to last. Moving towards the back, you'll notice how beautifully the lines flow from front to rear, a harmony of design that remains unmatched. The taillights are crafted in that iconic rectangular style, simple yet powerful in presence. The chrome accents on the rear bumper add to its vintage feel, while the Mercedes-Benz badge reminds everyone that this is more than just a car. It's a statement of class. The trunk space is designed practically, offering enough room while keeping the sleek profile intact. From the right side, the car reveals its graceful stance. The smooth curves, chrome window trims, and elegant side mirrors speak of a design era that valued timelessness over trends. The wheel arches are perfectly shaped, giving space to the classic alloy wheels that complete the look. The length and proportions of the car reflect balance and prestige, ensuring that it commands attention on the road even decades after its release. Stepping inside, the dashboard immediately transports you back in time. The wooden trims, analog dials, and the beautifully detailed steering wheel showcase the attention to detail Mercedes-Benz was famous for. Every button and control has a solid, mechanical feel, reminding you of the craftsmanship of an era before touchscreens and digital displays took over. The front seats offer not just comfort, but also a commanding view of the road. Wrapped in premium leather, they provide a luxurious experience with supportive cushioning, built to ensure that long drives remain relaxing. The rear seats continue the theme of space and comfort, making sure passengers feel equally valued. The wide legroom, fine upholstery, and armrest details complete the luxurious vibe. Finally, opening the engine room reveals the heart of this classic Mercedes-Benz. The powerful engine sits like a masterpiece, built with precision engineering. It may not have the high-tech coverings of modern cars, but its mechanical beauty, polished metal parts, and careful layout tell the story of German engineering excellence. This is an engine designed for reliability, smooth performance, and unmatched durability.